Today our topic is about a typical computer system. Consider a typical computer setup. There is the computer box itself, a keyboard, a mouse, a color screen. The screen layout is shown along a side. If we examine the interface, we can see how it various characteristics are related to the device used. Details of the interface itself is understanding principle and the design are discussed in more depth in chapter 3. As we shall see, there are various on three these basic devices. Some of the variations is driven by different hardware configuration. Desktop uses laptops, computer, DPA, personal digital assistants. Partly the diversity of the devices reflects the facts that there are many different types of data that may have to be entered into the obtained from a system, and there are many different types of the users, each which there is on system, and there are many different types of the users, each there are unique requirements. A level of intersection batch processing. In the early days of computer, information was entered into the computer and the large massive batch data entry. There was minimal interaction with the machine. User would simply dump a pile of the punched card onto a reader, press the button, and then return a few hours later. This still continues today, although which prepared electric files or the possibly machine read forms. It is clearly most appropriate mode for certain kind of application. For example, printing checks for entering the results from a questionnaire, which batch processing the interactions take place over hours or days. Incoming the typical desktop system, computer system has interactions taking seconds or fractions a second, or with slow web pages sometimes minutes. The field of human computer interaction largely grew due to this change in interactive piece. It is easily assumed that faster means better, but some of the paper based technology discussed in the section 2.7 suggests that sometimes slower placed interaction may be better. Richer interactions. Computers are coming out of a box. Information applied are putting internationally across the different system on the fridges, microwave, and the washing machine. The automatically shopping give you mail in your kitchen, or simply for the maintaining when needed. We carry with a web phone and the smart cards having security system that monitor us, webcams that shows our homes on the world. Really. Text entry devices. Whether write a book like this is producing an office memo, sending a thank you letter after your birthday, or simply sending an email to friend, entering text is one of the main activity when using the computer. The most obvious means of the text entry in plain keyboard, but there are several variations on the different keyboard layout. Chord keyboard that use combinations of the fingers to enter letters, and phone keypads writing and the speech recognition offers more radically alternates. The alphanumeric keyboards. The keyboard is still one of the most common input devices used today. It is used for entering textual data and the command. The vast majority of the keyboards have a standard ARDIZED layout and are known, and the first six letters of the top alphabet keys are QWERTY. There are alternative designs which have the best advantages over the QWERTY layout, but these have not been able to overcome the worst technology entire the QWERTY keyboard. These alternates are some the form of 626 keys layout, but putting the most commonly used letters under the strong fingers of the objective simple practice. In addition to QWERTY, we will discuss 226 keyboard layout alphabetically in DVORAK and Chord keyboard. Now our topic going to be closed. We will meet in next video. Allah Hafiz.